Okay, so it's October 1st, which means it is officially my birthday month. My birthday is on October 6th, and I'm super excited. I actually have a really exciting way to kick off my birthday. I'm going to the opera tonight. I'm gonna be seeing Fire Shut Up in My Bones, which is gonna be amazing. First Black composer at the Met. This is like so long overdue. Congrats to like Kimberlee Brown and like all the dancers, choreographers, etc. I'm so excited because I really wanted to see it, and then it was really tricky trying to figure out how to get tickets. Minor backstory: a couple years ago I performed in one of the operas, Cendrillon, the French Cinderella, and it's coming back this season in English, so yay, that'll be my first gig back performing on the stage. Super excited for that. But there's ways to get company tickets, like if you're in the company, which I am. The Met is so big and gorgeous, but you get lost so much, and I like was stressing out because I couldn't find where the ticket booth was. Craziness. So I thought I wasn't going to be able to get any tickets, but there are rush tickets, so if you go online the day of the performance at like 12 p.m. for an evening show, right at 12 you can get tickets, but we heard it like sells out in like seconds. So me and my friend were like at our computers like ready, set, and so excited. But I actually got the tickets. So they're $25 tickets. We're sitting in the orchestra, like kind of on the side, and this I think is my first opera like as a guest, so I'm super excited about that. That's pretty amazing and such a historical show. I'm gonna do this. I think I'm gonna wear this blouse that I got last year from Target. Just got these faux leather, of course, shorts from Zara, and then these are Amazon heels, and I think that's what I'm gonna wear. What a way to start my birthday week, and it's her birthday as well too coming up, so it's like yay for the win. I'm so excited. I feel like I never win anything, but like life and everything has been so beautiful recently, and just a lot of amazing things happening around me and to me that I just feel like I'm gonna ride the wave. Yeah, I think that's cute. It'll look classy once I add makeup and stuff. I think that'll be cute enough for the Met. We hope that these Amazon heels hold up, but I feel like the minute I get outside I'm gonna be like, ah! Getting rid of our car. This car has been in our family since 1997. You can't convince me that this is not the best car in the world. Sorry, not gonna believe it. Literally the best. So I'm just taking off the school stickers, which is emotional. My sister went to Delaware, I went to Maryland before I transferred, and so we're finally taking that off. This is crazy. And then I'm trying to like get the little rest of the pieces off, but I'm gonna miss this car. Now after a bajillion years, it's time to say goodbye. We had a good run.
First you were like, they're like, what? Uh-oh, Oliver, here's your bag. He's like...
Birthday look established. Can't get in the frame. I got this dress from Zara, and I'm so happy that it's warm out so that I can wear it. And then I got my boots because comfort, and then a little jacket, even though it's gonna be like 80 degrees. So, and I'm really liking my makeup. So yeah, about to go get some brunch with some friends. Thank you. Historically, I only pack a carry-on when I travel so that I obviously don't have to pay for baggage. And like, this is me trying to figure out what I want to wear. Then I carry 2 pair of jeans. I feel like 2 pair of jeans is gonna take up a lot of space in here, so I think I need to wear one. I'm not so in love with my outfits, but they usually come together at the last second. I had a white blouse that I wanted to carry, but I already wore that to the Met the other night. This is like the struggle when you're a minimalist and you care about what you wear, because you're just like, well, I just wore it so I don't want to wear it again, but I don't have another option. I got these from Zara and I freaking love them so much. They're so comfortable. If you didn't catch my latest video, I mentioned that I was going west and I was talking about all the deals that I got for a more affordable trip. So I'm going to be going to San Francisco for a few days. I've got a couple friends out there and I can't wait to see them and also celebrate my birthday. This time last year, I actually went to San Francisco. It was my first time going, and obviously, with the pandemic, things were a lot different. So, I'm really excited to see how things have changed, if there's more people out and about, all things like that. So, here I am on my way to the airport, which is super easy. I just go to the LIRR, take that to Jamaica, and then take the air train, and I'm there. This was really cool. It was like an organic vending machine that had like fresh pasta salad, regular salad. Kind of interesting. I'm kind of weird about like cold food and buying it through a vending machine, but I thought it was pretty cool. I definitely loved having the middle seat empty. I lucked out on this flight, but then also like brushing my teeth on flight felt so creepy and weird. 5 hours or so later, and I touched down in San Francisco. I'm always amazed seeing mountains in the background since I didn't grow up with that. So this time around when I got onto the BART, aka the subway, it was brand new. I was so excited to see that since last year's was kind of like eh. I eventually got off in the Civic Center area, met my friend, and then we went off to the hotel, which was actually in the Hayes Valley area, and this is it. It's right next to City Hall. This area is bomb, so here is the tour. So right when you first walk in, you're in like a kitchen slash living room area that's sectioned off by doors. It's really awesome that it comes with like a microwave, a fridge. You can wash dishes. They provide you with dishes, which is awesome. Then there's a TV and kind of a sitting area, and as well as a couch on the other side, which is just so convenient. It definitely gave me full on apartment vibes, which is what it was kind of sold as on the Airbnb. And then I just loved that there were so many mirrors that made me laugh. It reminded me of all the self tapes and dance classes I've been doing during quarantine. And then off into the bedroom area, I did like that it was separated off. I will say that these photos are completely different, I feel, than the ones that were on the Airbnb. I thought it was kind of going to be a little bit bigger. So maybe it's one of those you kind of get what you get. But I did like how it had a decent sized bed. There was another TV, place to hang up all your stuff, as well as the drawers, which was really nice. The view for this was just kind of in between buildings. So there wasn't that much of a view, but I'm totally fine with that. That didn't bother me too much. I did like how dark it could get there when it was time to sleep. But yeah, generally it was a really nice setup. If you don't like mirrors, you'll probably be annoyed by seeing so many mirrors, but I didn't mind it. A decent sized bed. I'm guessing this was like a queen. Again, I thought it would be a little bit more space in the bedroom area, but it was fine. And then the bathroom was kind of like the prize. The bathroom was beautiful and stunning. I've never seen a more gorgeous shower, and it was amazing. I was really, really blown away by that. So definitely sells you right there. Loved all the gold accents. And then everything else was just really beautiful. Huge mirrors, etc. They have enough towels for you since they don't come in and clean in between the times. But yeah, I really liked it. Okay, this is what I'll do. I'll do my little update. I was gonna do like a sit down to talk about this place, but I've had no time, so I've just been like running around, I guess. This is what it looks like lived in. I'll do that. So again, love all the mirrors, like convenient, but if you don't like mirrors, that would be kind of weird. At first when I came in, I thought it was a little bit smaller, but it's actually just perfect size for like 1 or 2 people. They've got the TV. Then I love this separation here from one room to the next. So with the French doors, or I keep saying the French doors, they're probably not, but I don't know what the other word is, but I love this separation. Honestly, if this was like my apartment in the city, I would love it, other than having like a bigger kitchen. But this is perfect. You have just separate vibes. You have a TV in here. There's a couch, another mirror. Like, this is a really, really nice place where you feel like it's a good sized hotel room. No, I like that I can store stuff in the fridge, cook my food in the microwave, and then you've got even soap and a sponge so you can clean your dishes and reuse them. This is the Inn at the Opera, and I got it through Airbnb, which is kind of interesting. I think the guy has like a timeshare here or something. So it's cool. Now let me get ready for ballet. They also provide you with a pitcher so that you can go down and refill your water whenever you need, which I thought was really nice. The hotel is very charming, so it's old school vibes, but charming. And there's an elevator, but there's also stairs too. It definitely gives me an inn/bed and breakfast vibe, which is really nice. They have a grab and go breakfast, so they offer a couple snacks that you can have for the day. I think that's perfect if you have like a long day of like touristy things. You definitely want to actually grab on the go. It's 7:26. We have 4 minutes. Oh, this is H&M, $13.99. Yeah. you know. She's a high roller. All right, so that's all from this video. Stay tuned for my full vlog of San Francisco. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.